For Lesson 7, we are going to interpret area models to form rectangular arrays. Let's take a look at number 1. It says to use a straight edge to draw a grid of equal size squares within the rectangle. Find and label the side lengths, then multiply the side lengths to find the area. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's take a look at letter A. So we're going to draw the grid lines so that they connect with the grid paper. So now I'm going to find my length. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 units. Now my width is 1, 2, 3 units. So the area for area A, remember, our formula is A equals length times width. So the length for A is 4, and the width is 3. So what is 4 times 3? So 4 times 3 is equal to 12 square units. Now let's take a look at rectangle B. Go ahead and draw the grid lines so that they connect. Go ahead and count the squares to find the length and width. Pause the video while you work and replay when you're ready or if you get stuck. So the length is 1, 2, 3, 4. The width is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now go ahead and determine the area with the length of 4 and the width of 5. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready or if you get stuck. So the length is going to be 4 and the width is 5. So 4 times 5 is equal to 20 square units. Now take a look at letter C. Go ahead and draw the grid lines. Then count the squares to determine the length and the width. Then figure out the area. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready or if you get stuck. So I just need to draw one grid line going across and then 6 grid lines going up and down. So determine the length. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I have a width of 2. So area C is 7 times 2, which equals 14 square units. Let's move on to number 2. It says the area of Benjamin's bedroom floor is shown on the grid to the right. Each square represents 1 square foot. How many total square feet is Benjamin's floor? It says to label the side lengths. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then if I count down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9. Then it says to use a straight edge to draw a grid of equal size squares within the rectangle. So we're going to actually go ahead and skip this part because we already have the lengths determined. Now we're going to find the total number of squares. So remember, area equals length times width. So go ahead and solve for the area. Plug in what the length times the width is. Don't forget your label and write your answer as a statement. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready or if you get stuck. So the length is 11 times the width, which is 9. So A equals, what is 11 times 9? If you're not sure, let's count by 11s. So here we have 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, and then 99. So my area is equal to 99 square, which is SQ, and feet. So I can write FT for feet. So now I need to write a statement. So there are 99 square feet let's take a look at number 3. It says Mrs. Young's art class needs to create a mural that covers exactly 35 square feet. Mrs. Young makes the area for the mural as shown on the grid. Each square represents 1 square foot. Did she mark the area correctly? And explain your answer. So the first thing I need to do is count how many I have side to side, or my length. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I need to count the width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I need to determine the area. Area equals length times width. Go ahead and solve for the area. Then answer, did she mark the area correctly? And explain your work. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready or if you get stuck. So the length was 6 and the width was 7. So A equals 6 times 7. So what is 6 times 7? Well, if you're not sure, we can write our 6s or 7s down. Let's write our 6s. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and 42. So A is equal to 42 square feet. So, did she mark the area correctly if she wanted 35? So no, she did not. So I'm going to write no, she did not mark it correctly. She marked 42 square feet. Your assignment is to finish number 1 on the problem set. Then I would like you to complete number 1 on the homework sheet. Check your work with the answer keys at the front of the room. Then grab an exit ticket. Make sure your name is on it and put it in the turn-in tray when you're finished. If you have not finished the exit ticket, it is homework. Make sure your problem set and homework sheet go in your take-home folder. I'll see you tomorrow.